your hand in mine. Baby, won't you please come closer? I want you to put your hand in mine. I want to bleed and protect you until the end of time. I want to be your loving eyes. I want to be your mind. Baby, I want to be your eyes, and you know I will sure want to be your mind. I'll forever be your loving guide, honey, until the end of time. You be the green in my coffee. You could be the sugar in my tea. You could be the cream in my coffee. You could be the sugar in my tea. If you just wake up at night, darling, and make heavy, heavy love to me. Make me feel alive. Darling, won't you come just a little bit closer? I want you to make me feel alive. Put your hand in mine.